sit on money for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, then go back home broke on Monday? What if I told you the Bible and Sunday teachings can legally and honestly put money into your pocket? What would you say? I know some naysayers right now that, oh, it's abomination. No, it isn't. Most people go to church for blessings. Yes, that's right. But smart people go to church for wisdom they can monetize. The Bible is not only spiritual, it is full of business principles, content ideas, and opportunities people ignore every week, every day. Can you believe you've been in church for more than 3 years, but you still borrow money to get a taxi to go to church? In fact, there are some people who will trek for more than 5 hours, and you've been in church for 5 years, 3 years. In a week, you go 3 times a day. You give offering, you give tithe, you give seed. In fact, you are the person who calls sister, brother every time and then. But do you know that the Bible, it is a manual of life? You know that. I know your priests have been preaching about it. But have you done anything for yourself? It's okay. Don't mind. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 major ways you can start making money from the Bible and Sunday teachings or Christian teachings using just your smartphone. Hold on. To my special engagers, I love you so much. Keep on. Let's make money with our smartphones and with internet. This is a disclaimer. This video is for education purposes. I'm giving you 1% of what I've used and 10% of what people have used. The rest, go and research. Know that this video is not guaranteeing you to be rich. No, it is giving you tips of how to be. Let's dive in. The first one is to turn Sunday sermons into social media content. How does it sound? Every sermon is full of life lessons, yes. Quotes, stories, advice. Can you imagine? On Monday morning, take 3 key points from the sermon you had last night, you had yesterday, today. Turn them into Facebook posts, WhatsApp status, short TikTok videos, reels with caption. How are you a preacher? How are you telling people about your God? And yet you go to church from Monday, as others go Wednesday, others go Friday, 3 times a week, but you cannot preach by yourself. How you post, what you post? No. The only thing you'll post is your feeling, is the people you hate, and yet you go to church. What is this now? People love inspirational content. Pages grow very fast with this. I have my friends on Facebook, they know this. What you need to do, you should follow for daily sermons nuggets. This is something you can add as you put. And monetize through views, through followers, and brand ads. You don't need to preach. You just share what you learned. You guys, I have a channel inspired by love, love revelation. It is only preachings that my pastors preach.